Happening today on the steps of City Hall, homeowners dropped by their insurance carriers and others who face massive rate hikes. They will protest the insurance commissioner's response to the insurance crisis. Joining me now is Jamie Court. He's the president of Consumer Watchdog, and homeowner Bruce Breslau. Bruce, I want to start with you. You live in a fire-prone area in Chatsworth, and actually your entire community lost their current insurer. So what is the status now on your home insurance?
Well, 4 months ago, after 20 years, farmers dumped us. And our broker for these 290 units here at Cal West in Chatsworth had to find insurance on the non-admitted market. These are unregulated insurers, so if they go bankrupt and we need to file a claim, we're up the creek there. The other side of that coin is that we have 50% less insurance than we did a year ago with farmers, but a premium of 400% more. So we went from 349,000 to 1.7 million, which is a 400% increase. That translates to a $5,000 special assessment to every one of our middle-class homeowners. And we're looking for consumer protection by the legislature and by the insurance commissioner to protect our interests.
And I know that area, these are working class families. You know, it's really hard to come up with that money. So what are you guys doing to afford these new insurance premiums?
Well, fortunately, our management company, they've split it into payments, but $5,000 is a hit nobody can take in this economy. And a lot of people are just coming to the grips with the fact that this is just for this year.
Yeah.
It'll happen again and again if something isn't done today.
And Jamie, the insurance commissioner has proposed a series of measures that he says will lead to more carriers coming back to California and eventually lower rates. And part of that plan is to allow these insurers to use computer models to determine wildfire risk that they previously could not do. And then homeowners will pay their premiums based on that. Why are you and Consumer Watchdog as an organization opposed to that?
Well, we're not opposed to computer models. We're opposed to secret computer models, secret algorithms that no one can see that are used purely to jack up rates. And that's been the story of these algorithms everywhere. But more importantly, the commissioner promised that in exchange for letting companies raise rates on everybody by using these secret algorithms, he would then give people in wildfire areas more coverage. He'd require the insurance companies to cover 85% of the people in high-risk wildfire areas. And yet when the regulation came out in the fine print, that provision was not there. The companies only have to cover 5% more than they cover now. So people like Bruce are not going to be able to get coverage, but we're all going to be paying more for insurance. So essentially, what we're coming out and saying is the commissioner lied, and the legislature has to step in and require that companies cover people who take the steps needed to fireproof their homes and protect themselves. If they spend that type of money to protect their homes from fire, they should get a policy, because the commissioner, unfortunately, has done a bait and switch with these regulations.
So we all know that there's a crisis. What do you think the solution is to what these homeowners are facing and what the entire market is facing?
Well, our solution is that that companies that want to do business in the state, if they want to sell auto insurance or home insurance, have to sell home insurance to anyone who hardens their home, people like Bruce, who spend time getting their communities and prepared for fires. And that's going to require legislative change, but we are proposing that, and that's necessary. And we also need, if they're going to use these climate models, they have to be public models. We have to see them. They should be a public model anyone can look at and see what they're doing.
Well, it's something that affects all of us. Jamie and Bruce, thank you so much for being here with us this morning.
Thank you.